Well, those big trees that were cut down last fall, see their big stumps right there. They've been cut up, split, moved up to the woodshed. Woodshed is now full for this coming winter. And the wood that was from the tree we cut down back here behind the barn that actually fell over and hit the barn when I cut it down. You see the bent up roof. Mistake on my part. Well, that tree has been cut up, and in the process of splitting the wood, and all of this wood that we're working on now is going to be for 2 winters from now, not this coming winter, but for the winter of 2027. All this wood here. Okay. And that wood, since the woodshed is full, there's the wood splitter. All of that wood is being put and stacked up here behind the barn in this little side shed that we used to use for the sheep. I think somebody's used it for wood before us. We've got to start on the wood for 2 years from now, so it'll dry in here, and then next spring, when the woodshed's empty, Dia and I will move all this wood up to the woodshed and fill it, and then as we keep cutting wood and cleaning up the property, we'll put the wood in here to let it dry for a year or so before we fill the woodshed. That stack, that's also wood that I cut last year, and I had this put in here last fall, but it needs to dry for a couple of years. That's beech wood, beech trees. And here's the rest of that big beech tree that we cut down. It's rotten, a big hollow center. But it's really hard wood. It's got a lot of moisture in it, so it takes a long time for it to dry out for firewood. So this will be one of the last things that I cut up this spring to get this out of here and stacked in that little shed. So that's an update on the wood.